No, it's about the tell-all, okay? Because we are in coordination with the Department of Justice, no? So before the Department of Justice, tell-all din kami doon. So same lang yung sinabi namin dito.
So when you say tell-all, what do you mean?
Wala na kami tinatago.
And that includes what? What kind of testimony?
About money, about the particular persons, nabanggit sa affidavit, kung ano yung transaction, ano yung history. Tell all na kami lahat.
Sir, would you be able to name names?
Wag na, nasa affidavit na yon.
How high is the highest person in the list?
Same with the affidavit of the spouses Discayas.
Yes, just refresh our memories.
No. Just ikaw talaga, Sir Mauro.
Wala po ba yung affidavit ng
we will have a supplemental affidavit. So magdadagdag kami ng mga pangalan doon. In due time, lalabas yun.
Na hindi nasabi sa Senate, sir?
Yes, and in Congress.
May mga senator, sir?
Yeah.
No comment.
Sa Congress, sir?
No comment pa.
Less than 10?
No comment, sir. Ikaw talaga, sir.